I hope that you had a really great holiday, and here we are in this gap where our year is ending and we are about to toast and welcome this brand new year. And what a special time to really wrap up 2022 and start 2023. I wanted to wish you a happy new year. I hope that you are setting yourself up for success going into the new year. And I've got a special gift for you. I have created a free download, and it's some worksheets for you to take some time to really celebrate yourself, celebrate the accomplishments in 2022. And I know that it's really easy to get amnesia, to forget all of those moments, everything that we've created. And so it's a great opportunity to take some time and officially celebrate all of those successes, all of those accomplishments from this past year, and also get some of the lessons, get some of the learnings, and then set your intentions, start to set your goals going into 2023. What a great opportunity. And so take some time, book it in your calendar, cozy up in your flannel blanket, grab your favorite hot beverage, and take some time to do those worksheets before we get to January 1st to celebrate the wins, celebrate the accomplishments, and set your goals. And of course, we've got a vision workshop coming up for you in January to really, truly set yourself up for success to create the best year ever. So while you're downloading those worksheets, make sure you also get yourself registered for the vision workshop. I want to thank you for being a part of this community and celebrating you. You are always one of my top gratitudes as I look back over this past year and I think about the things that you've accomplished and the wins you've had. And that's really my work in the world, is to support you in living your best life. And so I'm celebrating you. I'm celebrating all of your successes this year. And Happy New Year. Here is to you living a life you love.